What's the meaning of colorless? Colorless. Colorless.
Colorless. Colorless. Colorless means without any color. It describes something that lacks hue or pigment. The result of being colorless is a lack of visual interest or variation. Objects that are colorless appear bland and unassuming. They may blend into their surroundings and not stand out. Colorless liquids or gases can be hard to distinguish from their containers or surroundings, making them difficult to identify. However, colorlessness can also bring a sense of simplicity and elegance to design or art that emphasizes form or texture rather than color.